So I'm always trying to come up with some creative ways to make drinks, beverages, tasty syrups, and all that good stuff. And if you've watched some of my other videos, you'll see that I'm always creating stuff. And in this video, I'm going to make a sweet fermented fruit in syrup, and that fruit is going to be mangoes. That's right. And it's a really easy recipe. Now in the video, I don't show you how to make it. So that's why I'm talking right now, is to tell you how to make it. So first of all, you're going to need 1 heaping tablespoon of baking soda, 1 3/4 pounds of whatever fruit you're going to use. And in this case, I'm using mangoes, and you can leave the skin on, by the way. And I'm going to use 1 3/4 pounds of granulated sugar. That's right. And so it's simple. You slice up the fruit, you put it in a mason jar, then you add the sugar, and you let it sit for about 2 to 3 days until all of the flavor comes out of the mango and turns into a syrup tasting like mango. That's right. And then to top it off, you can add about 1/4 cup or 1/2 cup of your favorite coffee. And in this case, I'm using the Konaloa blend coffee, and it's a dark roast, medium dark roast, and it has some really good flavor. So with this, it's an easy recipe to make the syrup. And guess what? You can add it to carbonated water. You can add it to milk, which is what I did. And believe me, you might think it sounds weird, mango and coffee combined together with milk, but I'm telling you, this is a tasty drink. All right, let's make a drink. And here's the tasty syrup. That's right. All of that sugar pulls out the flavor from the mango, and it soaks up the flavor of the coffee. And all you need is the ice in a cup and the milk. So to make this drink, I need to filter out the coffee, so that way I don't have coffee grinds all up in my drink. And it might take a little bit, and I'm sure I could have figured out a different method of doing this, but hey, for now, this works. So as you can see, the color of the syrup has that coffee in it, and the mango. It is going to be so tasty. It is worth it. And now I just add some of this milk, fresh milk. Now, if you've ever had fresh strawberry milk, just think of it being a mango coffee milk. Delicious. I hope you guys try this out, because I'm telling you, it is a game changer. And then you just mix it up really good. And the smell of this mango coffee, it has a unique smell. Not a bad smell, just a unique smell. And then you take a drink, and that's it. So simple, so easy, yum. And you know what? I guarantee you, if you think this is going to be a weird tasting drink, I think you're going to be in for a surprise, because this is a different drink. See you later. Bye.